What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Uyghur Man. Today's the voice of our freedom fighter, fearless Uyghur adolescent's voice reached to the protest happened in Germany. Let's take a look.
We are here as Uyghurs to fight for our freedom. We are here to ask for our independence from China. For many years, we have been under occupation in our land. But enough is enough. We need peace. We need freedom. We need joy. We need happiness. We need to be able to raise our kids without being afraid they will be taken by the Communist Party of China, the CCP. I know you might have a mother, a father, a brother, a sister, an aunt, an uncle, and the list goes on and on. But I know if one of them were taken to a concentration camp or forced to be married, then you would feel the deep pain many Uyghurs are facing today. To start with an example and proof of this injustice to Uyghurs, we have Miradil Hassan, a brave, fearless Uyghuristan man that was arrested by the CCP for speaking the truth. He spoke about what he saw when he went to the concentration camps and shared his views on YouTube. There, he was able to garner the attention of many Uyghurs who saw and appreciated his story. They felt the cry for justice from Miradil. A few days after this, the educated man who was unable to get a job or place to stay in China because he is Uyghur, he was arrested by the CCP. Yes, I tell you all the truth, and we have proof that this man was arrested just for using his freedom of speech. That is why we are here asking for our independence, asking for our freedom, asking for our right to self-determination. It is not only about religion, but it is about what is right and wrong. Every human being in the world has a moral compass. No matter they are Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, or anything. It doesn't matter. Because I can tell you that Uyghurs are part of the world family in many ways. You would be surprised by our history. The main point is that we really need to stand up, all of us. Support a man like Miradil who lost his freedom for simply speaking the truth. There is a petition online on change.org, which another brave Uyghur fearless fighter started. In this petition, they want to send to the United Nations a letter and appeal to look into the situation on Miradil Hassan. If you have a shred of compassion for the man Miradil, go and sign this petition, and let this be our first action in the revolution to secure the freedom of Uyghurs. Thank you all.
That's all, guys. here I want to say thank you to every single person who helping us to spread the voice of Murad al-Hassan, our fearless fighter, our fearless justice believer. Thank you, and please keep going. If you haven't already, please don't forget sign our petition to save Murad al-Hassan. And if you want to support us, support Uyghur Man Justice Believer groups, please be a member, be a patron of our Patreon group. And I'll put all the link to the description below, and I will see you guys next time.